Now, my assignment today is highlighting about the importance of making a difference. The importance of making a difference, not in just an environment that are easy, that or maybe it's much easier to talk about Jesus. It's much easier to talk about the Bible, just like the church or any community. I'm talking about the environment where you switch off your worship songs, you change the subject because you are afraid of being judged or being taken as weird or something. So there is an importance in those environments. You are sent directly to those environments where you don't want to play the worship music, where you don't want to talk about Jesus. It's whether at work or it's whether at home. It's whether what that uncle or whether with that friend. The important we are sent directly to those places where it doesn't feel comfortable, really doesn't very feel comfortable to talk about Jesus, to pray, or it's time to introduce the word of God in those type of areas. Those areas in your life where you would just keep your words to yourself. So there's so much information buried inside you, man. Even here on TikTok, even wherever. Matthew 5:13, Jesus talks about talks to his disciples about being that you are the salt of the earth, that you are the difference, that you are the one who will make a difference. Now, salt, when you season with salt, the food will no longer taste the same. So in those environments, be the salt, be the change, be the new feeling, be the new taste in those environments that you afraid of talking on, or of spreading the word of God, or even just calling them out and say, you know what, can we please pray? I know it's going to be difficult in the first couple of times, but you'll get used to it, one step at a time. So my assignment